What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So today it's I'm doing a video here since guys from previous videos before, I just picked up this tremendous bad boy right here. I'm saying I want to call him Abomination since Hulk goes into the trailer, and I literally traded in my boy Bruce for some more power. This is the Cummins Diesel 2021 Ram 2500. This shit pulls like a freaking animal. They come at like around 370 horsepower with 850 foot-pounds of torque. I'm talking about an insane amount of power. It's freaking bees. But anyway, what I'm doing today is I'm getting ready for a show, and I ended up needing a new hitch, because obviously when you graduate to bigger toys, this is what happens. The receiver gets a little bit bigger as well. So that's a 2.5-inch receiver. So I contacted Real Truck, and shouts out to my man Raphael. He helped me out so much with choosing the right setup, the right hitch and ball and everything like that. That it's not cheap, but it doesn't break the bank as well. You know what I mean? It's something of good value. And it's a 2-in-1. This is the WeighSafe 180 hitch setup. This thing is freaking fantastic. On the box, you'll notice here, let me show you. It's very detailed how they pack this. It shows exactly what I got. I got brushed aluminum, stainless steel combo ball. It's because the chrome gets kind of jacked up. Black Cerakote is good, but it's pretty expensive. And it shows the 2.5-inch shank, and it also shows I got it with a 6-inch drop. So guys, I just want to show you something as well. When you're not using this, the 6-inch drops and up, you can actually flip this around backwards and push it in. I'll explain what I mean. Guys, they give specific instructions, especially on the side of the box. In the box, on the side of the box, and especially over here. WeighSafe has their own app. So what happens is, depending on the vehicle you're towing with and the vehicle that you're towing and your load, you scan your camera right here. I put up something on the side so you can see it. Scan it, download the app, and you could put all your gross vehicle weight, gross vehicle trailer weight, everything in there, and it helps measure the tongue weight to make sure everything is balanced properly. So it's actually something that's really good to do. It even shows you right here, it shows you step by step how to set up the hitch to make sure that that insert in there is in all the way it should be already. It just shows you everything. Dropping the hitch, locking it. You have this little piece right here that goes over this as a little bit of a weather protectant, and you have your 2 keys right here. So guys, go in there, check out the app. You know what I'm saying? Make sure your trailering is, or towing is, safe. So let's get on with this real quick and install it. All right, so it's a little bit bright out today, but that's not going to stop us. Okay, so this is the part right here that goes into the receiver. It shows you right here, WeighSafe.com. This has a 2,200 pound max tongue weight. This can carry a gross trailer weight of 18,500 pounds. That's freaking, this is a really strong hitch for the money. And guys, I'm telling you right now, I've had hitches before. This thing, when I felt it in the box, I was like, shit, this thing, it weighs a lot. So you could definitely tell that there's some quality behind it. So let me close this bed real quick. Okay. All right, so now let's install this bad boy. So guys, this is really, it's really simple. You know what I mean? It's self-explanatory. There's obviously two holes. You know, I mean, you decide how far you want to go in or leave it out. That's for you to decide. Okay? So now see this piece right here? I just knocked it out real quick. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it. Yep. This insert right here, see how it comes out? Make sure that's all the way in. And now you put the appropriate ball on the top. This is the 2 5/16. This is the bigger one. And it actually shows you, it's actually etched in here, like the 2-inch ball capacity is 8,000 pounds. This one is 18,500 pounds. Okay? And you pretty much slide this in here. Slide it in here like a puzzle piece. Okay? And so I ordered this obviously with a 6-inch drop, so if the truck is lifted or whatever, it'll still be able to compensate for that height difference, if you get what I'm saying. And I'm looking at this right now. Should be good, like right around here. All right guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick. Whatever desired height that you put this at, see this little pin right here? That's a safety latch that locks into this area right here. As soon as I slide it in, watch this. I'm not gonna have the key in. Watch this. Click, and now it's locked in there. So to release this, to change the level of the ball, you have to have the key. Okay? So just food for thought. So that should be good right there. I'll see. I might have to drop it a little bit more just in case, but I'll see. All right, so I just put in my receiver pin right there. Let's lower this bad boy and see where he lands. Nice. Actually, that looks actually pretty damn level right there. Damn, this thing ain't even move. Woo! It's freaking fantastic. Damn, that shit is dope. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That thing is level. Very, very level. I like it. This thing looks so good. Obviously, don't forget safety. Lock that bad boy. But anyway, so guys, this is definitely it, man. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Guys, definitely check out Real Truck. Hit up my boy. I'll leave his information. I'll leave his Instagram. And I'll leave his information, like his extension and whatnot, in the description of the video. My man Raphael, he'll definitely help you out. Okay, there's even, guys, there's even some, if you really want to splurge, there's some with a scale for real-time measuring of your tongue weight, all of that stuff. Guys, side note, make sure before you put the tongue on this ball, okay, make sure before you drop this shit on here, get you some of this. It's freaking cheap. You can get it on Amazon. Just put it on there. Put a little bit on there. And just wipe it around. Okay? Definitely, it's Hitch ball lubricant. It's grease. Get that shit on there. So It can withstand the elements, okay? Especially when you drop this freaking tongue on this shit, okay? So guys, if you're into all of that, definitely check out Real Truck. They got tons of different brands of hitch systems. This was the one best for me, suited for what I needed. And let me tell you, it's freaking sturdy, man. Like really, really sturdy. I love it. But anyway, guys, that's my time. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.